Hey there, my crypto friends, and welcome back to the Altchica channel. My name is Alex, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you the most important secrets in trading your crypto intelligently. So let's begin. The first thing is laddering your entries. Instead of buying at the current market price only, better spread your buy amount between the current price and the price you think it'll hit, and then ladder your buys accordingly. Right, so when you go to buy, don't just hit market buy, but instead split your buy amount into four different parts. So 1/4 market buy, 1/4 sets your limit order a little lower than that, 1/4 a little lower than that, and 1/4 at the lowest price you think it might not hit. So now you have spread or you have laddered your buys in order to have an average position. The second thing is portfolio management. You should never put more than 1% of your entire trading account into any one single trade. So for instance, if you have $10,000 in your trading account, then you really shouldn't be putting more than $100 into any single trade. So if you risk 1% of your trading amount this way, then you would need to have 100 consecutive losses in order for it to wipe out your entire account. So you see, that's unlikely. And if more traders or beginner traders followed the 1% rule, then they would be a lot more successful in their first year of trading. See, risking 1% or less per trade might not seem like a lot of money to a lot of people. However, you can still make some great returns. Because, for example, if you make several trades per day, then gaining a few percentage points at the end of the day is entirely possible, even if you make only half of your trades. Another key concept is the risk-reward ratio. So see, you want to risk a little for the opportunity to make a lot. For example, it is a very good trade to risk $100 for the opportunity and probability to make $300 or $500, even if you win half of your trades, right? And it's not a good trade to risk $1,000 for the opportunity to make $100, because this way, one loss is going to wipe out 10 wins, right? So even with the 90% win rate, you are still going to lose money. The fourth crucial thing is, of course, accuracy. You need to have accurate trades, and it's as important as your money management. But here's where I come into play, because at Altchica we give you 90% accuracy signals every single day. Clear, professional, ready-to-trade signals every day in my VIP group that you can join for 0.0297 Bitcoin per month. Right, so here are my stats from the previous month. And knowing Bitcoin's next move, it is really important that you join as soon as possible, because we're going to make money. So all you have to do is send me a message at Altchica on Telegram. The most exciting thing in the intelligent trading is the compound interest. So that means when you have 1 Bitcoin in your trading account and a monthly interest of 3%, at the end of the year you will not have 1.36 Bitcoins in your trading account. When your portfolio grows 3% in the first month from 1 Bitcoin to 1.03 Bitcoin, the next month growth is not going to be calculated on the starting balance of 1 Bitcoin. It's going to be calculated on the next balance, so meaning 1 Bitcoin plus the 3% growth. Here's a calculation to understand it easier. Exciting, isn't it? So this is it for today. I really hope you learned something new and that you make good decisions and some fantastic trades. I'll see you again very soon. I'm Alex, and this is Altchica.